Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So here's another pro tip for you. So today we're going to talk a little bit about waxing your bandsaw blades, or how to take and keep them in pristine condition. So to lubricate a bandsaw blade, my favorite method is using a simple little piece of paraffin wax, or just candle wax. You can get this anywhere in the world. If you have a Walmart hardware store, candle supply place, anywhere you can get this stuff. It's pretty nice and easy. If you have a good stockpile of beeswax, that will work too as well. But I've learned this little trick from Tom Latane in Pepin, Wisconsin. He's a master locksmith, and he would use this on his hacksaws to keep the teeth tuned up and to help cut in a deep cut. Now, you don't have to use this so much on thin plate and things like that. It's kind of pointless. But anytime you're going through thicker bar stock, it's helpful to have this. So I'm going to show you how to take and do this real quick. We're going to turn on this, and what we're basically going to do is we're going to wax the teeth as it's rotating through. So we'll go ahead and turn this on real quick. Okay, so now the teeth and part of the blade is waxed. It has wax on it, and that's going to provide a lubricating surface for not only for it to clear chips easier, the chips will come out of the teeth easier as it goes around and around, but now it will help in aid in keeping the teeth sharp through the cut. It just prolongs the life of them. So as you can see, that cuts pretty nice and smooth. You know, it cuts almost, I want to say like butter, but pretty much like steel. It cuts like steel. And it really does take and help it. Give it a shot in your shop on your bandsaw or your hacksaws and see if you like it for yourself. But that's it for this pro tip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did. Hit the dislike button if you didn't. Either way, I appreciate the feedback. And let me know what you do to keep your bandsaw blades tuned up in the comment section down below. As always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one.